fired from a summer job can be devastating, not only for teenagers, but also their parents.
And joining us right now is Dr. Khadijah Booth Watkins with Mass General Hospital. It's great to see you, Doctor. Good, happy, what is today? Thursday. Happy Thursday.
Happy Thursday.
Happy Thursday. But you're a big fan, I know, of teenagers going to work. So what skills can they learn from having a job? Let's start there.
I mean, there's a ton that can happen with having a job. It doesn't just provide like the structure and routine of their day, but it starts to help them develop those independent skills, builds that confidence. It also is an opportunity to, build new social networks and social connections, and begin to learn some financial responsibility. So there's a lot more than just a summer job to a summer job.
What if they're late to work a lot? What if anything should parents do? Is that the child's responsibility, the parent's responsibility, both? What do you think?
So, I mean, this is a little bit tricky because we're often used to helping and jumping in, but, life is a series of learning opportunities. And so as we are helping them transition into, reasonable, responsible adults, we need to give them a little bit of agency and room to problem solve, make mistakes, reflect, and try again. And so while we are definitely charged with the order of kind of guiding them, we need to remember that we're no longer trying to guard them. So giving them that space to make those mistakes and being there to support them when they do so that they know that they have a safe place to land, but we need to give them a little bit of room to wiggle.
And Doctor, you kind of went to the area where I'm going right now. If they do get fired, this is kind of a two-pronged question. How can parents help them bounce back? And should parents help them bounce back?
We should always be taking care of our kids, for sure. And so getting fired is a tough blow. And we need to remember maybe what it felt like when you maybe lost your first job. And so we definitely want to support them. Now is not the time to have the conversations of like, what did you do wrong? What could you have done better? But really the first conversations are around giving them support, validating their feelings. Surely we want to have these learning opportunities and these learning moments and talk about, what do they think went wrong and help them kind of pull it together so that they can do better the next time. But we want to make sure that we encourage them to think that this is not going to color their entire experience. Like this one experience is not going to be their future. And so encourage them to get back out there.
My favorite thing you said was guide, not guard.
It's tough
Where
to not
were
jump
you a
in
little
and
bit,
stop.
like 10 years ago? That's great. Good job. I'm going to remember that one.
Thank you.
Great
Thanks, Doctor.
advice.
Great to see you.
Thank you. Stay
Have a good
well.
day.
Have a good weekend. Let's take you out.